Inap olala tale shimba ton waye Cozumel lumil peten Incaba Gilberto Sige waye and Maya. Thanks for coming to visit us at the land of the swallowbirds. My name is Gilberto, I'm born here. Welcome travelers. This is the monument of the goddess of Cozumel. Over here is where the first Catholic Mass was celebrated in all Mexico. Right here is where the first horse arrives in Mexico. Señores, a lot of people ask me, where did the Mayas go, Gilbert? And I say, they went to Miami. No, we're still here. We are the result of the union of those great cultures. In my case, Moreno Gilberto de Jesus. Come hear the history of Cozumel, my friend. This temple has been rebuilt. Right here on the stairs, you see the stones that was counted by the Mayas. Right here is where Mexico starts writing his history. Cozumel means land of the swallowbirds. Cancun, pot of snakes. Campeche, snake and ticks. Yucatan, when the Spaniards get there, they ask the first Maya, they found, where we are, Maya? And the Maya say, Yucatan, which means I don't understand you. Señores, right here is where Mexico starts his history. But what Mexico means? Misli, Shistli, Ko, on the belly button of the moon. Come here in the shade, my friend. Let me tell you a little bit of it. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Have a seat, have a seat. Enjoy the breeze. The Spaniards arrived here in Cozumel on May 6th of 1518. But on the conqueror of Mexico, Juan de Grijalva arrives here in Cozumel first. Juan de Grijalva, he was going from Cuba back to Spain, but I started to drop him on here. You know, like most of the Spaniards, they was trying to find new lands. Juan de Grijalva arrives here with Juan Diaz and 4 boats. Mayas, they get really scared to see the big boats. They never seen them before. Mayas, they used to believe in many gods. The first Catholic Mass was celebrated here in Cozumel. The first Catholic Mass was celebrated on May 6th of 1518. On May 3rd, Juan de Grijalva saw Cozumel and he named it the Door of the Holy Cross. May 3rd of 1518. They went around Cozumel, Isla Mujeres, the next island just was, and then he come down here. He thought a mainland was another island, a bigger island. So they come down here in Cozumel and they get lucky. They get lucky to get here first. Because here there was no Maya warriors, there was no human sacrifices, there was a lot of women. How lucky it could be. Every single Maya women, they used to come here paddling from mainland to Cozumel by wood canoes to learn how to make a life, how to raise a child. So Mayas, they start building temples dedicated to the moon. Why? Why the Mayas choose Cozumel as the home of the goddess of fertility? Because the first time they could get in here, they figured it out, was land surrounded by water. Like a baby, when we're mom's belly, we're surrounded by vital liquid. So that's why they choose Cozumel as the home of the goddess of fertility. Mayas, they treat the Spaniards as a semi-gods. They never seen before horses, white people with shiny armor. They treat the Spaniards really well. Mayas giving the offerings like fish, fruit, all kind of fruits. And there's the Maya shaman at the top. There's the Maya shaman. The Maya shaman is giving him something to drink to the Spaniard. Do you know what kind of drink I'm talking about? Say something.
Tequila.
Señores, no tequila, no margaritas. ¿Qué pasó?
No rum.
This is history. This is no alcoholic tour. I just get it. Giving him chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Yep. Chocolate. You've been speaking Maya all your life. The word chocolate comes from the Mayas, and choco means hot, and lek is the bowl. He was telling him, don't burn your hands, hot bowl. They thought it was the name of the drink, that's why they named it chocolate. Cocoa bean, that was so valuable for Mayas. So valuable that even in Maya numerology, the first, on here, the first civilization, they started using the number 0. There was the Mayas. they represent the zero with the cocoa bean. Cocoa bean roasted, smashed, water, honey, chili peppers. Spicy drink. Make them sweat, refresh the body, and give them energy. Spaniards, they was looking for gold. And they asked to the Mayas, where is the gold? We don't want you cocoa bean. The Mayas say, we don't have much, but when the sun comes down, Mexicotl, Mexicotl, with the Mexicas, Aztecs. There are no Aztecs, they are Mexica. That tribe they used to, wow, mucho dinero, mucho money. That tribe arrived in the central Mexico about 1800 years ago. They come from a place called Aztlan, somewhere in the north. And the other tribes around them say, we don't want you here, because they do crazy rituals, bloody rituals, sacrificing to the gods of the war, Huitzilopochtli, all right? That tribe, they established it in the middle of a lake. You know, Mexico City is a lake, right? The name of the lake, Mistli, which means moons, because they're a reflect of the moon. Shistli, belly button, and ko, place on the belly button of the moon. Is what Mexico means, señores. Hernán Cortés arrives here with 300 men and 500 horses. And here in Cozumel, started in the conquer of Mexico. You will see another statue. I don't know if you saw it. There is a guy holding a long spear. You saw that guy? His name is Gonzalo Guerrero, and he's a Spaniard who get involved with the Maya women first. But I'm talking about 7 years before Juan de Grijalva. There was an expedition, they crashed his boat, and they get close to Belize, right? That group, 14 men, they get captured by the Mayas up there. They don't get lucky up there. There was Maya warriors. They took him to the city, sacrificed him, and only 2 escapes. Only 2 escapes. Juan de Grijalva, which is a young Spaniard soldier, and Jerónimo de Aguilar, who was a Spaniard priest, Franciscan priest. So they escape, but they get catch again. There was only 2 white people with hair on the face, so they get captured again. The Maya king who rescued them, well, get them. They treat them as slaves, and he gives Jerónimo de Aguilar, the old man, to another king. He keeps Gonzalo, right? Imagine, hey, I have a white man here for you, my friend, as a gift. His servant. He turns as a servant, right? So, in one expedition, Gonzalo Guerrero, he rescued this king when he fell into a cenote with crocodiles. He rescued him and get his freedom. Married the princess Sacilha, and the first kids, mestizos, the first mestizos. He adopted the Maya cosmogony. What's a mestizo? I am a mestizo. My name is Gilberto Moreno Tec. Moreno is the Spanish last name, and Tec is my Maya last name. Tec and Maya means handsome guy. Okay, no. But over here is where everything starts, señores. Mexica, they lost the war, of course. The Spaniards brought disease and war. Disease killed more than war. So, señores, and thank you so much for coming to visit us. I hope you learned something new today. And I'm gonna tell you, Cozumel is the home base of the only squadron who fights in World War II. In 1939, United States rebuilt the runways. Thanks to that, we have international airport. In 1943, the Germans torpedoed Mexican petroleum boats. Mexico declared war. 35 Mexican pilots from this base, they went to Texas and Idaho to get training. They received the new planes, the P-47 Thunderbolts, and they went to fight on Luzon Island, Philippines against Japanese. This is the home base of the only squadron who fights in World War II. Señores, before everything, Cozumel was an island of fishermen and pineapple growers. Thanks to Jacques Cousteau, French guy, we're famous. Jacques Cousteau arrives here in 1958 and started promoting Cozumel, the first place on Mexico, second best place in the world, and those times for the best snorkeling diving. So thanks to Jacques Cousteau, we are visitors from all over the world. To me, as a Islander, as a Cozumeleño, it's a pleasure to have you. I hope you come to visit soon. Mi casa, su casa, amigos. Be welcome.
Gracias.
Gracias.
And now, after that great history lesson, let's take a little walk around the church and through the back to some of the statues and some of the monuments. We really hope you enjoy the little walk that we're going to take.
The last time we were here, the church was open, beautiful inside, but today it's not. So
We'll come back.
hopefully, yeah, we'll come back and try to get the inside of the church. Everything. I don't want to stand in the grass and video inside. I mean, I like it. Oh, they're here. Okay. There's a brief little look. And we're going down to the, I guess, recreated Mayan ruins down here. There are a number of Mayan ruins on the island. But I believe these are recreated. Beautiful though. But
Another little park area too.
yeah. That's not going to show up. I didn't try it. I'm not sure it's not going to show.
The military base is right next door.
Yeah, on the other side of the wall is the military base here. In Cozumel. I guess it's the Marines, maybe. I'm not sure. I know they check everybody as they pull in and go around though. Yeah, I think we could. Yeah. Anita says we could climb this one. I think we probably could.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't be afraid of the heights on that one.
See the plane over there?
Yeah. Oh, you actually. There's the and you have one of the restaurants on the beach.
Yeah, beauty. Yum, yum.
This is Leon and Anita with Bear Assets Traveling. If you liked the video, click like, then subscribe, and ring the bell for future updates.